So for this video, we're going to look at the Synthstrom Deluge and how we can use resampling function to record audio stems of different phrasings or ideas from our other groove boxes, and using the audio line in oscillator from a previous video. I have that already set up. So what we're going to do is just press play and listen to the different sequences I have. So that's 3 different variations that I have, and I want to record all 3 of them in and then start composing them so I don't have to manually change them. So I'm going to hold down record and tap play. You're going to see the record button start flashing. That means we're resampling. Now, right after it does that, I'm going to press record and play again, and what that's going to do is make sure it's going to stop the sample at the end of the bar. So we're just going to start with the first one, and I'm just going to record all 3. Hold down record, tap play, and then do it again, and then it just saved that sample. We're going to do the same thing. And then the third time. So now we just recorded all 3 of those into here. So what I'm going to do is mute that out so we don't hear what's going on in here. And we're going to make a new track. It's going to be a kit track, but we're going to create a new kit. So hold down shift, press kit. And there we go. There's our audio. So I'm going to switch down to the first one. And now that we have the first one in here, we can start changing its properties. And I'm going to hold shift and press mode and change this to cut. That makes it so we can actually chop off the end of it if we want to. So we're going to make a whole bar here, and we're going to duplicate it. So now we have 4 different instances of that. So what I'm actually going to do is take them out, and we'll just leave that here. We're going to load the next one. So hold this down, press load, let go. We're going to that sample. Let's turn down the volume a little. Hold down shift, mode, change it to cut. And we can draw that in. So if you notice there's an extra little tail at the end, just chop that off if that ever happens. Next, we're going to load the next one. And that's the third one, and we're going to turn the volume. We're going to turn the volume down a little. So now what we can do is start composing the different parts. So I'm going to play this part first 2 times, this part 2 times, and then let's extend the view. And then we'll do this part. Now that part, I have to change that mode to cut. There we go. We're going to play that 4 times. So it's going to play the first one 2 times, 2 times, and then 4 times. And then we can just keep going and just composing different changes wherever we want. We can even chop that in half and add another one here, and then just go back to this, for example. So let's just press play and listen to what we have. I'm going to zoom out as well so we can see even more. So we could, for example, turn the reverb up. Change the filter. So we can change all the different parameters here as it's playing. If we even wanted to, we could do the same procedure and resample what we're hearing into a totally new sample.